seen that. I'll check it out, says Simone. Thank you. Fini TV done, says Rahila. Fini, Rahila has connected with you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Done your first shorts, Brother Benny. Thank you, Krishna. I appreciate that. Benny, bro, please play my playlist. Rahila, I got you. When I go home after the live stream, Rahila, I will go to your house. I will see if TC Lifestyle finished playing, then I will run yours. Stitch by Mimona. How you doing, Mimona? How are you, Mimona? Welcome, welcome, Mimona. Let's go, let's go, let's go, Mimona. How are you doing? Welcome to live, welcome to the live, welcome to the live. SAS. SSSS. Muzungu anahua Kiswahili. Muzungu anahua Kiswahili. Muzungu anahua Kiswahili. Or is Muzungu anahiwa Kiswahili? Mashallah, Benny bro. Mashallah, Benny bro. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Thank you, Rahila. Thank you, Rahila. Thank you. I'm Pakistan, says Stitch at Mimona. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm in the U.S. Rosalind, I just subbed to you. Remember me tomorrow, says Simone TV. Thank you, Stitch by Mimona. Thank you, Rahila. Life reality on the way, says Rahila. Yes, Rahila, please watch the video completely and leave a comment. Leave a comment at Life Reality's house. And enjoy her positive vibes. Urdu speaking, no English. Urdu speaking, no English. S. That's okay, Stitch with Mimona. You can speak whatever you want. My house is a safe space. We live in a democracy. And a democracy. You sport. Yes, like Norma. Norma's in the building. Norma's in the building. Let's go. Welcome, Norma Lifestyle. How are you? Good. Okay, Simone, in 24 hours. Make that 48. Connect with her back on Sunday. Norma's gonna have 2 bananas, one from Classic and one from Rosalind on Sunday. Hi everyone from Norma Lifestyle. How do you do? I'm doing good, Mimona. How are you? Mimona? Hi Benzo. Much love from Norma. How you doing, my sis? Hope you are good. Yeah, everything is great. It's Friday. Positive energy, positive vibes. You know, we are living. We are blessed to live another day. Norma Lifestyle saying, Rosalind James, miso from Norma Lifestyle. Norma Lifestyle from Blake Journey. Let's go. Stitch at Mimona saying, I'm good, Benzo. I'm glad to hear that, Norma. So nice of you, says Mimona. Thank you. You're welcome. Rosalind James is saying Norma Lifestyle, blessings.